Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And I have a box from FOREVERSHINE Collections. I'm so excited to open this box, y'all. I saw FOREVERSHINE Collections on Instagram. I'll put her link below. She sells on Etsy, and I have seen many a creator show her boxes before. It's all handmade, beautiful self-care products. And I was on Instagram, and I've been following her, and we started talking, and she sent me some goodies. I'm so excited. So this is FOREVERSHINE Collections, and the owner is Julia. It is a woman-owned small business, and Julia is a mom. She's a stay-at-home mom, except that she makes these products. So she is the mom of 3 little ones, 6, 4, and 2. I don't know where she finds the time, but she does. She makes beautiful products. They smell wonderful. They're great for your skin. And her on her Instagram, it says good vibes, good vibes. So let's see what the good vibes are. It's the cutest box. And it was in an outside mailer, and I took it out of there, and it was sealed, and I cut it open. So this is what it looks like when you open it. How cute is that? And there's something sweet and delicious right on the top. These are delicious. I've had these before. This is Land O'Lakes Cocoa Classics. This is mint chocolate, hot chocolate. The Land O'Lakes hot chocolate is so delicious. And what you do, you boil your water, or you could even use hot milk if you want, and then pour this in. And this is going to be mint and chocolate cocoa mix. So I'm excited to try that. And then there's the cats are going to go nuts over these little things. Julie makes all kinds of things. She makes lotions and potions, and let's see what she sent me. All right, here is orange soda pop. Now, I will tell you, Julia makes many different scents, and she asked me what some of the things I like, and I told her I like fruit scents, and I'm not really into flowery, but she makes flowery things too. Orange soda pop is what this says. I love orange soda pop. It says this is a 20% vegan lotion. The ingredients are shea butter. Oh, that's my favorite thing ever. Vegetable glycerin, aloe vera, vitamin E oil, and fragrance oil. So let's open it and smell it. Oh, it looks nice. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it smells like orange soda. It is nice and creamy. Look how creamy it is. Let's see. I really need this. My skin, I'm not out in the sun a lot, but it's so hot here that it's like everything is, oh, this is so nice. It's so nice and creamy on my arms. My arms feel like they're very dry, even though it's humid here. I guess just the sun. I don't get much sun because I'm not out really in the sun, but I need moisturizer. A person needs moisturizer, and especially as you get older, you really should use it every day, no matter what age you are. Oh, that smells so good. And it went right into my skin. It's a really nice lotion. It's very creamy and yummy. Orange soda pop. Is that what it says? Yeah. And then next we have, cranberry and rhubarb soy wax melts. Look there's 6 of them in there. I love wax melts, and I from my understanding, the soy ones are the best for you because they melt, and then some of the mass-produced ones have ingredients in it that you don't want. Let's see, this has some little fine print on it. I'm not sure. Oh, here comes the train. I don't think I can really see that. It says you can also visit her website, FOREVERSHINEcollections.com. Cranberry and rhubarb soy wax melts. Let's smell it. I want to burn this right now. I love cranberries. You know me, I can never open anything. This shouldn't be that challenging, Mary. Okay, here. Oh, it smells really. I always ask y'all to smell it. Oh, it smells like summer. Cranberry and rhubarb. My mom makes rhubarb pie, and a lot of people around the country. I don't know if rhubarb is anywhere else in the world. I think it is. I think I have a friend in England that grows rhubarb on it, actually. And rhubarb pie, you have to know exactly what to do with rhubarb. And my mom does. So a lot of people make a rhubarb strawberry pie, which is good, but just rhubarb pie is the best. Oh my goodness, that smells fantastic. Julia, you're wonderful. Thank you so much. And next we have, oh, there's lots of things in here, y'all. Oh, look at a lip balm. This says Blue Goo. Let me show it to you, and then we'll look at it. Okay, now, Camille, if you're coming up this way, you must behave. It is blue, and let's see what it says about it. It says the ingredients are soybean oil, beeswax, sunflower seed oil, cocoa seed butter, shea butter fruit, and then aloe leaf juice, flavoring, and color. Okay. You know, I have the orange on me now, so that's what I'm smelling. So let's turn it up and see. I don't really know what it smells like. I have lipstick on, so I'm not going to put it on right now. Oh, it smells good. Maybe like blueberry? I'm thinking it's smelling like blueberry. It's really nice. I'm going to put that right in my bag. Right in my bag, so I'll have it. Okay, Smudge, let me get everything out of there. You can't really fit in this box, but he's going to try. You can get in there. They like this stuff. Cammie's playing with that. All right, there's a couple of things that are wrapped up, so let's see what they are. This is, ooh, banana nut bread. Oh, look at that, y'all. It's a 2-ounce room and linen spray. Banana nut bread. That's probably my favorite. I love to make banana nut bread in the fall, especially. Okay, let's see. All right, y'all. I'm gonna, oops. I should have probably done that on some paper or something. Here's my notes, so let me spray it. Oops, uh-oh. I sprayed it on Cammie. Oh, that smells so good. I'm sorry, Cammie, I sprayed it on you. That smells so good. It smells like banana nut bread, of course. I'm sure everything smells just like Julia says it's gonna smell. It says, yeah, room and linen spray. So you can spray this into the air, or you could spray it on, you know, your pillowcases or something. Oh, that smells so good. Julia, that is so yummy. That is yummy. Okay, Camille, it would be nice if you would move on. She's playing with these, y'all. She takes things and leaves. Let me close the box. Okay, come on, love. And then the last item, very nicely wrapped. Ooh. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Look at how pretty this is, y'all. This is like a test tube, and it's plastic, so that's good. It won't break. Oh, wow. This is called Blueberry Muffin, and these are bath salts. That smells relaxing. Look how pretty they are. Can you see them through the tube? They get glare on there, but they're yellow and blue and like a seafoam green. Beautiful colors. And that is a bath salts. That is beautiful. Thank you so much, Julia. FOREVERSHINE Collections, y'all. Now, let me tell you about her Etsy. I'll put links below for everything. And when you go there, she has individual things. Like you can just get this if you want it. You know, lotion. You can get different sizes. You can just get this if you want. You can get a couple of things if you want. You can have her make a box for you. She has some boxes already made with maybe different themes. And then she also has some mystery boxes. Right now there's a mystery box that y'all, if you like Halloween, there's a mystery box with Halloween stuff that's on sale. And then she has different price things. And one of my favorite things that she has, it just looks like so much fun, is a box that is filled, everything is individually wrapped, and it's numbered, and like number 1 through 7. So for a whole week, you get to open something and see what it is each day. Number 1 for Monday or Sunday, whichever day you want to start. And it would be, I think it would be a fantastic birthday gift for one of your dearest people. So we have the beautiful lotion, which still smells Really nice. And I'll tell you, it was so creamy. It's so creamy on my arm. It feels good. We have the beautiful bath salts. I'll take pictures of everything and put it on Instagram as well, so you can see. We have the lip balm, and we have the linen and room spray and banana nuts. Ooh, banana nut bread. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, Camille. And then we have the wonderful wax melts, which I'm going to go melt some of these right now. It smells so good. This will take me, the cranberry and the rhubarb mixed together, that'll take me into the fall. So it smells, it's really sweet. It's delicious smelling. And look at, there's a lot in there. And then also this little extra added bonus of the hot cocoa. The mint hot cocoa. My favorite kind of hot chocolate is mint. Thank you, Julia. How did you know? Thank you so much. This is so much fun to open, and I hope that you all will go see Julia. Tell her Mary sent you, and find her. I'll put Instagram link below too. Find her on Instagram. She shows things on Instagram. She tells you about what's going on. She also puts positive quotes and stuff to make you feel better. So it's just a really nice place to visit. And then say, hey Julia, and tell her Mary sent you, and see what you'd like to get. These are nice things to have for our skin, take care of ourselves. Nice bubble bath, and make the room smell good, or your pillow. This would be nice. Spray on my pillowcase before I go to bed. Make me dream of nice things. And this is great. Lip balm is great for all year. All year we need lip balms. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing this really fun box from Forever Shine Collections. And thank you so much, Julia, for sending this to me. I really love everything. And I will see y'all later, and count your blessings. Bye, y'all. Okay, Camille, did I spray it? Let me see. Do you smell like banana nut bread? Yeah, okay. She's liking everything too, y'all. Bye-bye.